Okay, let's look at part B, part 1. Okay, to find the area of OPQ and SPQ. So you notice that for this ratio, they are actually having a common height. So if you have a common height, you can actually compare the base. So OPQ, you have a base of OP. And SPQ will have a base of SP. So you just compare the base, the ratio will be 1 over 2. Okay, for part 2, compare the area ratio, area of triangle OPQ and OST. So you notice these two are actually similar triangle. So straight away you can apply similar triangle, which is the square of the corresponding side. So I use OP over OS squared. Okay, the ratio is 1 over 3 squared, which will give you 1 over 9. Okay, for part 3, to find the area of triangle OPQ and the area of triangle ORQ. So you notice these two triangles, they also have a common height. So same height, compare base. So in this case, you compare the base PQ to OR. Okay, so you notice from here that SPQ and SOR are actually two similar triangles. So in that case, OQ over OR is same as SP over SO, which is equals to 2 over 3. Okay? Now we come to the last part here. Okay, to find the area of the trapezium OPQR, this whole thing here, and PQTS. So you are comparing two trapezium. So first you need to do some planning. First you can break down the trapezium of this into two, right? Because from part 3 you know that triangle OPQ and triangle ORQ, the ratio is 2:3. Because OPQ and ORQ, the ratio is 2:3. So next thing, you compare this triangle here. What is the ratio of OPQ and OST? So you compare with PQ, TS. So you know the ratio of OPQ to OST based on part 2 is 1:9, right? If this triangle, the big triangle is 9, therefore the trapezium have to be 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. Now to have a common ratio, if this is 2 units, you have to multiply this by 2. You have to multiply this by 2, so you end up with 2:3:16. So therefore the ratio of the trapezium area of trapezium OPQR over area of trapezium PQTS is equals to, so OPQR, if you add this together, will give you 5 units. PQTS is actually 16 units. So therefore the answer is 5/16. Okay, done.